one machine you can import from China, and that's literally like printing money, is the facial tissue paper machine. Let me tell you something most people don't realize. Every single time you wipe your face, your hands, or your nose, someone is getting richer. Not with crypto, not with AI, not with some online hustle, but with facial tissue paper. And the scary part, you are probably buying from someone who started in a small warehouse just a few years ago. Facial tissue isn't just paper. It's skincare, it's hospitality, it's hygiene. It's a don't check the price product. And here's what nobody talks about. After COVID-19, even in developing countries, reusable handkerchiefs are fading away. People don't want to wash and reuse anymore. They don't want hygiene rates. They want clean, disposable, single-use tissue every single time. Life is faster. Hygiene standards are higher. Convenience is king. And once people switch to disposable tissue, they never go back. This shift isn't slowing down, it's accelerating. Now here's what shocked me. You can manufacture this product from your home or garage using simple machines imported directly from China. No massive factory, no huge staff, no 10 years of experience. Just the right machine, the right positioning, and the right market. The global facial tissue market hit 18 billion in 2024. But the real opportunity? Psychology. People use facial tissue on their face, their skin, their babies, their makeup. They don't cheap out. A mother buying for her baby chooses ultra soft. A hotel manager chooses premium created. A skincare influencer chooses aloe infused. This is emotional purchasing disguised as practicality, and emotional products create premium margins. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact machines that make the real money, the real startup costs, how giant tissue rolls are converted into cash, the production mass, and the 3 types of machines, including the one that builds empires. Stay with me, because most people buy the wrong machine, and that mistake costs them everything. If you are new here, I am DAKS. I run a registered trading company based in China with 8 years experience living and doing business here in China. I don't just talk about machines. I help entrepreneurs source from verified suppliers, inspect factories, handle shipping, and avoid scams. If you need anything business related, I am your number one plug. If you need anything, just contact us. Now let's build your tissue empire. Someone may ask, why is this business different? Facial tissue is used multiple times every day. Unlike handkerchiefs, it is single use. Single use means constant repurchase. Once you win a customer, you don't resell them. They come back automatically. Every week, every month. Offices, hotels, hospitals, schools, homes. Demand doesn't decline. And here's the eye opener. In many developing markets, local producers cannot meet demand. Small manufacturers sell out before finishing production. That's not competition, that's opportunity. You don't need to invent something new. You just need to supply what people already buy every day. Raw material is something very important when you want to import machines. Now let's talk about manufacturing. The raw materials include waste papers or waste products like recycled paper, bamboo puff. These are very cheap, abundant, and scalable. The full industrial process includes popping, cleaning, bleaching, and forming. But here's the beginner secret. You don't need to do all that. You can start by buying or importing giant tissue rolls. Think of a giant roll like a loaf of bread before slicing. You buy the roll, you convert it, you package it, you sell it. Low capital, low complexity, fast entry. 1 ton of giant roll can produce about 10,000 tissue boxes or packs. That's where your margins begin. The machines that matter in this business or manufacturing is the 2P facial tissue machine, which includes the folding, ironing, cutting, and counting. And the next is the packaging machine. That's it. You just need 2 operators, small room or a garage. And the electricity usage is very less. How about production capacity? Hundreds to thousands of packs per day. in your daily gross potential about $300 to $1,000 depending on your market. This isn't hype, it's mass, low labor, no expiring date, fast turnover. Now let's talk serious numbers. A 100 count box retails for $2.5 to $4.5, wholesale price $1.2 to $2, and your production cost can be $0.3 to $0.4 per box. That's 60 to 75% cross margin. Most consumer goods fight for 20%, and your production speed 200 to 400 sheets per minute. That equals 18 to 15 boxes per minute, and 500 to 900 per hour, and 4,000 to 7,000 per 8-hour shift. One machine, one operator. You are not selling paper. You are selling engineered convenience. That satisfying pull, that 100 grab, that soft touch, that's premium psychology. Now listen carefully. There are 3 facial tissue production lines. One builds empires, one limits your growth, and one is overpriced junk. One is the pocket tissue machine. Small 10-sheet packets, checkout counters, purses, car dashboards, and their output is just 80 to 120 packets per minute, and the cost per packet is about $0.06 for retail and $0.25 for wholesale. Your profit potential is $500 per day, and that is $15,000 per month. Low shipping costs, impulse buying, great entry level. The next is the box tissue production line, the scaling machine. It has about 100 count and 200 count boxes. Homes, hotels, offices use it every time. And your output can be about 30 to 50 boxes per minute. 2 shifts, you have 40,000 plus boxes daily. This is where contracts happen. A 100-room hotel uses 200 boxes monthly. Sign 20 hotels. You have predictable recurring revenue. This is not retail hustle. This is institutional cash flow. And the next is the wet tissue or facial wipes production line. Now we are entering the premium territory. We have makeup wipes, baby wipes, sanitizing wipes, and retail can be about $3.5 to $6, and your production costs $0.8 to $1.2. Same distribution channels, higher margin, stronger brand position. This is how you build a 7-figure operation. Packaging is 50% of the product in facial tissue manufacturing. In this industry, packaging is the perception. You are engineering softness visually. Target channels, we have boutique pharmacies, hospitality white label, corporate branding, beauty subscription boxes, weddings and events. Custom packaging allows 40% higher pricing. Positioning beats price wars. You need to be aware of several risks and challenges you face in this production. One is the raw material supply or the giant roll supply disruption. And the solution can be dual sourcing or a 30-day inventory so that every time you have the raw material. Another risk in this facial tissue manufacturing is quality inconsistency. Best solution to this is getting a registered trading company like DAKS Import and Export Trading to inspect the raw material every time you want to import from China. This way you have your quality raw material being consistent. Another risk, we have machine downtime, and the solution is just import this machine through DAKS Import and Export Trading. We will make sure that we get you machines which comes with 1-year warranty and after sales service. And every time you face any challenge with this machine, we have expertise or specialized people who are into manufacturing these machines for a long time, who can assist you in any challenge you face in manufacturing using these machines. It is only DAKS Import and Export Trading you can get this from. So if you need this machine, just contact us and we will get you this machine. I know someone will ask, what is the fatal risk in this manufacturing? It is all about inaction. Facial tissue manufacturing combines premium margins, emotional buying behavior, recurring demand, scalable production. The path is clear. Packet tissues to test, box tissues to scale, wet wipes to dominate. The infrastructure is importable. The skills are learnable. The demand is permanent. The only question is, will your brand be on that box next year? Or will you still be buying from someone who watched this video and acted? If you need more details about how to start your facial tissue production without any costly mistakes, book a one-on-one consultation with DAKS Import and Export Trading, and we'll give you all the breakdowns and details about sourcing, shipping, clearance, duty to any country in this world. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video if you have watched this video to this end. This motivates us to bring business ideas like this. Because in our next video, I'm going to talk about how to start ice manufacturing with little capital. How to price for 70% margins using premium positioning psychology.